Hello guys, I just quickly wanted to make a tutorial about replicating an editing behavior found in Pro Tools. So I'll just quickly explain what I mean by that. If you open up the Nudge Set Items menu and you select Nudge position 1 frame, you can already nudge items in Reaper by 1 frame or milliseconds, whatever you like. But the problem with that is that the editing cursor is not moving along, and thus the movie or the video file, as you can see, is not playing along. This is not so great if you want to align this to the movie file. Like for example, this is a footstep and I want to align it to the video. This is not so good, and therefore created a little action where when I press plus and minus, it will behave like it does in Pro Tools. And yeah, first thing I want to show you, which is quite handy, is that I bound tab to move cursor to start of items. So whenever I'm editing, I can freely move around in the file, but as soon as I want to have my edit cursor at the start, I can just press tab. And then I will show you how I created the custom action. And it's not too complicated. All you need is this one. I will talk about it later, but this one first you need to download from the extensions from the Reaper pack. If you browse this name, it should come up. And there are two actions. One is called back and one is called forward by 1 frame. And yeah, we need both of these because later we will create two actions for moving it 1 frame to the right and 1 frame to the left. Okay, so now that we have this nudge set items already open, first what you need to do is select nudge position 1 and frames. So you can then save this setting in the dialog settings. You have 8 settings to save something into. I just picked the first one, settings 1. And if you run that, the settings you just put in here will be saved into settings 1. And basically then we have everything for setting up this custom action. Yeah, like I said, you need to create 2 of these and you can bind it to every key you like, obviously. Yeah, that's basically it. And yeah, thanks a lot for watching. See you guys.